The most organic way to develop a healthy body and healthy mind is by taking part in physical and cultural activities. So why restrict a child's development to just books and four walls? Taking part in cultural activities greatly enhances a child's creativity. It helps them in coming up with new ideas and innovations, enhancing their interpersonal skills and empathy. Participation in sports and games helps children to cope with stress and removes the fear of losing. It teaches them about teamwork and gives them the confidence to succeed in life. NVN calendar is filled with co-curricular activities designed to stimulate children's imagination and encourage their self-expression. This is how the time spent in the classroom, on the stage and in the playground prepares a child for the future. The final and important contributor in building the child's future is you, the parent. We encourage you to join us in building the next generation competent citizens who will be ready to face the coming century.